Namaste, my name is Sushil Adhikari. I am from Butwal. Today I am going to teach you some multiple tables from which you can do from 9 to 99 mathematical problems. So let's take an example of 9. In 9 we have to write 0 to 1 from front, and now I will write 0 to 9 from back. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we got the multiple table of 9. Now let's do the multiplication table of 52. It is 2 digit. First we have to write the table of 5 and table 2. 5. We know everyone. 5 is a 10, 5 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, 5 7 is a 35, 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45, 5 10 is a 50. And here we will write the multiplication table of 2. 2, we have to write 0 also. 0 2, 0 4, 0 6, 0 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So here we will margin. I have done here margin. Now we will add this. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 10 right here. 15 plus 0, 15. 20 plus 0, 20. 25 plus 1, 26. 30 plus 1, 31. 35 plus 1, 36. 40 plus 1, 41. 45 plus 1, 46. 50 plus 2, 52. And we will write this number in back side, like 52, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Here we got the multiplication table of 52. 52 and 52, 52 is 104, 52 3 is 156, 52 4 is 208, 54 5 is 260, 54 6 is 312, 54 7 is 364, 54 8 is 416, 54 9 is 468, 54 10 is 520. We can do this by complex multiplication, and now let's do the multiplication table of 99. 99 also that, but we have to write in another way. Here we have to write the table of 9. It means we have to copy this. And we will copy this here also. Now we will imagine here also. Let's do the margin. Here I have done margin. Now we have to add this number with that number. Let's add 9 plus 0, 9, 18 plus 1, 19, 27 plus 2, 29, 36 plus 3, 39, 45 plus 4, 49, 54 plus 5, 55, 59, 63 plus 9, 69, and 72 plus 7, 79, 81 plus 8, 89, 90 plus 9, 99. And we will write this number at back side like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and last at 0. So here we can get the table of 9 to 99. So you can do the we can also do this, and we can find the multiplication table from 9 to 99. So please comment, like and subscribe in this channel so you can get more videos and make your brain sharp. Namaste.